Good morning, children. This is Saibal speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter 12. That's about algebraic expression. So, like as of now, we have completed like many chapters. Data handling was one of them. The last chapter we have done. So we have practiced from R.S. Agarwal as well as from NCRT. So, children, here in this video, like I'm going to explain on some questions or some basic discussion on the difference between equations and expressions and all that. So without wasting time, let us have a look. Let us give a fresh start of this chapter. So this is exercise 12.1. This is about algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. So children, the very first things comes on our mind when we talk about expression. What is expression? Expression means something which comprises of variable and constant. Variable means the letter of alphabets what we use to denote some number, which can be like anything, which can be A to Z, any alphabet, and some constants. Constants means number. For an example, children, I have written x plus 2, and you as you can see, like I wrote x plus 2, which comprises of x and 2 both. Okay, so here x is the alphabet or variable, what we call variable in mathematical term, and 2 is constant. So what is x plus 2? We don't know. If I tell you, if I give you the value of x, suppose the value of x is 1, so you can easily figure out what is the answer. What will be the answer of x plus 2? It will be 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Means from your mind you will be substituting or you will be replacing x by 1, because it is said to be the value of x as 1. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. The answer of x plus 2 will be 3. So when it is possible, when we know the value of the variable. So such condition, suppose 2x plus 1, we don't know what is the value of it. Suppose the value of x is 0. So in that case, it is actually 2 into 0 plus 1. So it will be 0 plus 1 means it will be 1. So children, you can get the answer if you know the value of the variable. So this such formats in which the value of the variable is not given, such formats are known as expressions. Expressions can be calculated but cannot be solved. Okay, it can be calculated. For an example, I say 2x plus 3x. So of course, children, it will be 2x plus 3x will be 5x. Okay, because 2 and 3 can be added, and x can be anything. X can be any number. It can be any whole number. All right. So as we don't know what is the value of x, so we cannot solve it. Only with the thing is what we can calculate. 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. Okay. Now thing is, sir, what is equation? Equation are expressions contain. Equations are like like both sides. When expressions, one expression is equal to another expression, that is only called equation. For an example, I said 2x plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, so in this question we can get the value of x. How to get the value of x? We can write 2x is equal to 4. 1 will be transposed from the left hand side to the right hand side by the transposition rule, which have already been explained in the simple equation chapter. So this plus 1 will become minus 1. So 2x is equal to 4 minus 1 resulting 3. And now keeping x, 2 will be getting transposed from left hand side to the right hand side. It will be 3 divided by 2, as 2 was multiplied to x. So the moment we are transposing it, it will be divided. So the value of x I got, that is 3 by 2. So children, what we can do over here, we can solve it. Okay, because there is a presence of equal to sign. So children, the basic difference or a basic process by which we can identify the equations and expression. Expression do not contain equal to sign. Expression do not contain equal to sign, but equation contains equal to sign. Equation contain equal to sign. Okay, So the value of x is 3 by 2. So children, this was like a primary idea about expressions and equations. So in this exercise we are given some question to solve, we are given some statements, and we have to frame the expression. Okay, the very first question is subtraction of z from y. Okay, so subtraction of z should be subtracted from y. So of course I'll write y minus z, because z was to be subtracted from y. So it is y minus z. Next is the number z is multiplied by itself. Means they're talking about z into z, which is to be multiplied to itself. Z into z results z square. Okay, z into z results z square, because we know this rule of of exponential rules. Whenever we multiply same thing, it comes with like square, cube, in such exponential form. Third number, the number z multiplied by itself is already been said. Next one is 1/2 of the sum of the numbers x and y. 1/2 means it's 1 by 2. 1/2 of the number of the sum of the numbers. 1/2 of means into sum of the numbers x plus y. Okay, so x and y to be added, and multiplied by 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 will be multiplied to x plus y. So this is nothing, children. We have to read the question and we have to answer. The next one is 1/4 of the product of the numbers p and q. 1/4 means 1 by 4. 1/4 of means into. The product of p and q means p into q. I repeat, 1/4 means 1 by 4. Of means into. Product of p and q means p and q will be multiplied. So naturally, what are we supposed to write over here? We'll write 1 by 4. P into pq means we can simply express them as pq. 1 by 4 pq. Okay, this is how we can write the answer. The next one is question number 5. The numbers x and y both squared and added. Numbers x and y both squared means x square plus y square. Question was both x and y squared means x is in squared form, y is in squared form, and they're added. Matlab x square plus y square. Okay. Question number 6 is about numbers 5 added to 3 times the product of the numbers m and n. Numbers 5 added to the 3 times of the product of number 5 is added to the 3 times of the product of mn, means 3 times of mn means 3mn, and 5 is to be added with them. Question was 5 is to be added, so I have added 5 with the product of 3 times of mn. So product of mn is mn, 3 times of it matlab 3mn, 5 is added. So answer is 3mn plus 5. Okay children, so this is how we have to deal with this kind of question. Your homework will be to solve question number 7 and 8 of question number 1, along with all the sums whatever I explained today. These sums to be done along with question number 7 and question number 8. If there are any confusions, please let me know. Feel free to speak. Please do submit the work in the Google Classroom. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.